Oracle ERP. Course title: Oracle ERP Fundamentals. Course description. This course provides an introduction to Oracle ERP, which is a suite of applications designed to manage various business functions, including finance, supply chain, and human resources. Students will learn how to navigate the Oracle ERP system, create and manage user accounts, enter and process transactions, and generate financial reports. The course also covers the basics of Oracle database, security, and system administration. Module 1, Introduction to Oracle ERP. Overview of Oracle ERP. Oracle ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning, is a comprehensive suite of integrated business applications designed to manage and streamline key business processes for organizations of all sizes and industries. Oracle ERP offers a wide range of modules and functionalities that cover various aspects of business operations, including financial management, supply chain management, procurement, human resources, project management, manufacturing, and customer relationship management, CRM. Oracle ERP provides organizations with a centralized platform that enables efficient management of key business functions and supports data-driven decision-making. The system integrates data and processes across different departments and business units, providing a holistic view of the organization's operations and enabling seamless communication and collaboration across functions. Some key features of Oracle ERP include: 1. Financial management. Oracle ERP offers robust financial management capabilities, including general ledger, accounts payable, accounts receivable, fixed assets, cash management, and financial reporting. It helps organizations to manage their financial processes, monitor cash flow, and ensure regulatory compliance. 2. Supply chain management. Oracle ERP provides tools for managing the end-to-end supply chain processes, including procurement, inventory management, order management, and logistics. It helps organizations optimize their supply chain operations, reduce costs, and improve visibility into their supply chain processes. 3. Human resources management. Oracle ERP includes modules for managing human resources, such as payroll, benefits administration, talent management, and workforce planning. It helps organizations to effectively manage their human resources processes, automate HR tasks, and enhance employee engagement. 4. Project management. Oracle ERP offers project management capabilities that allow organizations to plan, execute, and monitor projects. It helps organizations track project costs, manage resources, and ensure timely project completion. 5. Manufacturing. Oracle ERP provides manufacturing modules that enable organizations to manage their production processes, including product design, planning, scheduling, and quality control. It helps organizations optimize their manufacturing operations, reduce production costs, and improve product quality. Oracle ERP can be deployed on premises or in the cloud, providing organizations with flexibility in choosing the deployment option that best fits their needs. It is widely used by organizations of all sizes, from small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs, to large multinational corporations across various industries, including manufacturing, distribution, finance, healthcare, and more. Architecture of Oracle ERP. The architecture of Oracle ERP is designed to be scalable, modular, and flexible, allowing organizations to customize and configure the system to meet their specific business requirements. The architecture is based on a 3-tier client-server model, which consists of the following components. 1. Presentation tier, also known as the client tier. This layer includes the user interfaces that allow users to interact with Oracle ERP. It typically includes web-based interfaces, such as web browsers, mobile apps, or desktop applications that provide access to the functionalities of Oracle ERP. 2. Application tier, also known as the middle tier. This layer comprises the business logic and application servers that process user requests and manage the application's functionalities. It includes various application servers, such as Oracle WebLogic Server, that run the Oracle ERP application logic and provide services for scalability, security, and performance. 3. Database tier, Also known as the server tier, this layer includes the Oracle database that stores all the data used by Oracle ERP. The database is responsible for storing and managing the application's data, including transactional data, configuration data, and metadata. Oracle ERP uses a relational database management system, RDBMS, such as Oracle Database, to store and manage data. The database is designed to be highly scalable, robust, and secure, capable of handling large volumes of data and supporting complex data relationships. Additionally, Oracle ERP supports a modular approach, where organizations can choose and implement the specific modules that meet their business needs, such as financial management, supply chain management, human resources management, and others. These modules can be integrated and customized based on the organization's requirements, providing flexibility and scalability. Overall, the architecture of Oracle ERP is designed to provide a robust and scalable platform that enables organizations to manage their end-to-end business processes efficiently, integrate with other systems, and adapt to changing business requirements. Oracle ERP applications. Oracle ERP offers a comprehensive suite of applications that cover various aspects of business operations. These applications are designed to streamline key business processes, enhance operational efficiency, and enable data-driven decision-making. Some of the popular Oracle ERP applications include 1. Oracle Financials Cloud. This application provides a wide range of financial management functionalities, including general ledger, accounts payable, accounts receivable, fixed assets, cash management, and financial reporting. It helps organizations manage their financial processes, ensure regulatory compliance, and gain insights into their financial performance. 2. Oracle Supply Chain Management Cloud. This application offers end-to-end supply chain management capabilities, including procurement, inventory management, order management, and logistics. It helps organizations optimize their supply chain operations, reduce costs, and improve visibility into their supply chain processes. 3. Oracle Human Capital Management Cloud. This application includes modules for managing human resources processes, such as payroll, benefits administration, talent management, and workforce planning. It helps organizations automate HR tasks, manage employee data, and enhance employee engagement. 4. Oracle Project Portfolio Management Cloud. This application provides project management functionalities, including project planning, execution, and monitoring. It helps organizations track project costs, manage resources, and ensure timely project completion. 5. Oracle Manufacturing Cloud. This application offers manufacturing capabilities, including product design, planning, scheduling, and quality control. It helps organizations optimize their manufacturing processes, reduce production costs, and improve product quality. These are just a few examples of the Oracle ERP applications available. Oracle offers a wide range of applications that cater to various industries and business functions, providing organizations with a comprehensive and integrated solution for managing their end-to-end business operations efficiently. Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.